So this is one of those Bluetooth speakers where its design is fine, but the audio is really terrible. It has no passive radiators, it has very cheap plastic drivers, and they're also placed pretty weird. Not even on the sides, but also not like on the front or the rear, but a bit short angled. It's a bit weird solution. It's sad because honestly it does look like a fine speaker, but the audio is not great. So here are a few audio samples so you can see yourself a bit how it sounds, but yeah, it's not a great one.